Now, the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association has expressed condolences to the Trinidad and Tobago track and field fraternity on the passing of 2012 Olympic mile relay bronze medalist Deon Lendore. In a statement, J3A's president Garth Gale said Lendore made a big impact on the Caribbean and that he'll always be remembered. The statement went on to say that Lendore was an important member of the track and field community who brought glory not only to his country but to the region. According to reports, the 29-year-old athlete was involved in a motor vehicle accident in Texas in the USA on Monday on his way home from training and later succumbed to his injuries. Lendore lived and trained in Texas, where he was also an assistant volunteer coach at his alma mater, Texas A&M University. The quarter miler had a personal best of 44.36 seconds. Lendore, who represented TNT at 3 Olympic Games, London 2012, Rio 2016, and Tokyo 2020, was also a World Championship silver medalist in the 4x400 meter relay in 2015. Meanwhile, President of the Trinidad and Tobago Olympic Committee, Brian Lewis, also reacted to the passing of Lendore.
Young people, not only in track and field, but in Trinidad and Tobago. His commitment to country, to his team, to his friends, to his family, and to his colleagues, and to his sport has been enormous.